In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from MoneyGram to a bank account. This is a simple and reliable way to move money from MoneyGram directly to a bank. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and download the MoneyGram app from the App Store or Google Play. If you prefer using a computer, you can also visit moneygram.com in your browser. To begin, you'll need a MoneyGram account. In the app or on the website, tap or click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then provide your mobile number for verification. MoneyGram will send you a text message with a confirmation code. Enter that code to continue. Next, you'll complete your profile by entering your full legal name, date of birth, country of birth, and home address. This information is required to fully set up your account and keep your transactions secure. You'll also see the option to join MoneyGram Plus Rewards, which can help you save money with discounts on future transfers. You can choose whether you'd like to receive rewards notifications by email, text message, or both. After that, check the box to agree to the rewards terms along with the general terms and conditions, then tap Sign Up to move forward. After creating your account, you'll need to verify your identity. The exact requirements depend on your location, but in many cases you'll be asked to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, directly through the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your documents. Verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to a day. Once your account is verified, open the MoneyGram app and tap the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you want to send. For example, you might enter $50. The app will automatically show you how much the recipient will receive after fees, and any exchange rates are applied, so there are no surprises. Choose Direct to Bank Account as the delivery option, so the money goes straight into the recipient's bank. Now, select your payment method. You can pay using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Using a debit card is usually faster, but keep in mind that credit cards often come with higher fees, typically around 3 to 5%. After choosing your payment method, enter the recipient's bank details, such as their IBAN or bank account number, along with their full legal name. Take a moment to double-check all the information, because even a small mistake, like a single wrong digit, can cause delays or failed transfers. Here's a helpful tip. After completing your first transfer, you can save the recipient's bank details in the app's contacts section. This makes future transfers much faster and easier, especially if you're sending money regularly for things like family support or ongoing payments. Next, review the transfer summary. This includes the total fees, the amount the recipient will receive, and the estimated delivery time, which is usually between 1 and 4 business days. When everything looks correct, tap Continue to confirm the transfer. You'll receive a reference number once the transaction is submitted. Be sure to share this reference number with the recipient so they can track the transfer if needed. If the transfer doesn't go through, double-check that the recipient's bank details are correct and make sure your payment method has enough available funds. Also confirm that your MoneyGram account is fully verified, as incomplete verification can prevent transfers. For additional assistance, you can tap Help in the app to contact MoneyGram support or visit moneygram.com for more information. You can also track your transfer in the Track and Receive section using the reference number and your last name. Before you go, a quick reminder about security. When you're sending money or accessing financial apps online, especially on public Wi-Fi or while traveling, it's important to protect your data. That's why I personally recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your internet connection, keeps your personal and financial information private, and adds an extra layer of protection when managing payments online. If you want to stay secure while handling money transfers, check out link to try NordVPN at a great price in the description below.